Hello students, in the previous class we were looking at the questions. We had talked about question number 1. Question number 2 is there on the screen. Find the rational numbers labeled on the number line. Now A, B, C, D, E. There are 5 numbers on the number line. Can you see the numbers? A, B, C, D, E. Now to find the numbers, first we need to find 0 and 1. And here it's 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. All these numbers are given. So how many places are there between 0 and 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So each division is 1 by 6. So can we label all these things? This will be 1 by 6. C will be 2 by 6. This will be 3 by 6. This will be 4 by 6. This will be 5 by 6. And this one is lastly 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. So we have got C. C is equal to 2 divided by 6. Similarly, we can move on the left hand side. Now we know this, if each division is 1 by 6, we know. If you want, you can count again. 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, and this is 6 by 6. So this is -5 by 6. Because it is on negative side, so it is -5 by 6. It's all about simple counting. Okay, it's not visible. Let me move to the other side. Yes, is it okay now? Now next there is A. What is the value of A? This is -1. Now this is exactly between -1 and -2. A is exactly between -1 and -2. Isn't it? There's two subdivisions are there between -2 and A, and two subdivisions are there between A and B, -1. So this will be A will be minus what? 3 by 2. D will be 1 plus 1 by 6, and E will be 1 minus 1 by 6, 2 minus 1 by 6. ठीक है? You got all the numbers. समझ में आ रही बात ना? If you have any difficulty in this, try to solve this on your own on the notebook. You have the question on the screen. Pause the video. Try to solve it on the copy. It's very important to understand this. And if you understand this, the concept is clear. Then there's nothing else left. Okay. Let's move on to the third question. Draw a number line and place the following rational numbers on it. 2 by 3, -2 by 3, -1 by 4, 2 by 7, 11 by 9, 0 by 2, 4 by 4. So, let's draw a number line first. Let this be our number line. Let me draw on this side. Yes. Let us have our 0 over here. This is 0. Now we have the 3 in the denominator. So let's take 3 places, 1, 2, and let this one be 1. And same on the left hand side, 1, 2, and let this one be -1. Okay, and this continues over here and over here. This is question number A. So where will -2 by 3 be? Each division is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. This one is 2 by 3. This one is -1 by 3. What will be this one? -2 by 3. So you got -2 by 3. Here it is. on the number line, this one it is. ठीक है. Question number B is 1 by 4. Can you plot it on the same line? No. Because why not? Can we plot 1 by 4 on the same number line? No, we cannot plot. Why? Because we need 4 divisions now here. Between two numbers, we need 4 divisions. So I'll do it here. 1 by 4. Let's have this. Let's say this is our new number line. Line should be straight. Use a scale like this. Okay. And then there will be a 0. And you can say first one to be 1 by 4. Second one to be 1 by 2. Third one to be 3 by 4. Fourth one to be 1. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, fourth point will be -1 over here. So you got this 1 by 4 on the number line. Here it is. 2 by 7, very similar. You should have 7 places in between two numbers. I'll draw the fourth one. 11 by 9. Always use a scale to draw the line like this. Okay. Now 11 upon 9. Let's say this is 0. After how many places should I put 1? Denominator is 9. So after 9 places 1 should appear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 appears over here. 11 upon 9. Will it be on the left of 1 or right of 1? Of course to the right of 1. So this will be 10 upon 9. And this one will be 11 upon 9, which is our answer. This point. Isn't it? And you can write some points on the left also, 2 upon 9 and so on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here will come 2. ठीक है? Question number E, 0. Where is 0? This is 0. You can plot it on the same line also. This is 0. And 4 upon 4. What is this equal to? This is equal to 1. And we already have 1 on this line. So we can plot 1 also here. This is 1. So quite a number of times it happens that we can plot multiple numbers on the same line. Quite a times we cannot do also. Let's move to question number 4 now. Given below is a number line in which 3 points P, Q, R are labeled on it. Points A, B are such that PA is equal to PQ and QB is equal to BR. Which rational numbers do points A and B represent? A, B are such that PA is equal to AQ. We have been given that PA is equal to AQ. Can we find out Q first? Can you find out anything from this number line? First see the line. 0 is here, 1 is here, -1 is here. How many points are there between 0 and 1? 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one is 1. So 1 can be written as 5 upon 5. Similarly check on the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -5 upon 5. Isn't it? Now we have got these numbers now. Q. Count about Q now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Q is PA is equal to AQ. QB is equal to BR. Okay, so this is for 1 by 5, Q is 2 by 5, we know that now. This B is 3 by 5, R is 4 by 5, A is minus 1 by 5, and P is minus 4 by 5. Just counting the points, we know all the points now. Now, just see, is it valid? PA is equal to AQ. PA is equal to AQ. What is PA now? PA is minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Minus 4 by 5 minus of minus 1 by 5. That is equal to minus 3 by 5. And AB is AQ, sorry, AQ. AQ is minus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. That is equal to minus 3 by 5. Isn't it? PA is equal to AQ. Done. Similarly, you can check for QB and BR. You can get that also. Okay. Should I move to the next question? Question number 5. Are the rational numbers minus 3 by 4 and 2 by 7 on same side of 0 on the number line or on opposite sides? So let's say this is our number line again. This is our number line, and let's say we have a 0 over here. 0. Where will minus 3 by 4 be? Minus 3 by 4 will be on the left hand side. Minus 3 by 4 will be on the left hand side, and 2 by 7 will be on the right hand side. 2 by 7 is on the right hand side. Okay. Numbers are on the opposite side. Now give reasons. What reason can you give? The reason is 2 by 7 is greater than 0. So 2 by 7 is on the right hand side of 0. Minus 3 by 4 is less than 0. So minus 3 by 4 is on the left hand side of 0. That's it. So simple. Now there are some homework questions for you. These questions are from My Turn 3 in the practice book. The questions are there in the screen, and you can also find the questions in your textbook, practice book. You have to try these questions. All the questions you should be able to do now. There are some more questions in the same My Turn 3. Total of 4 questions are there. You have to try it and ask me if there is any difficulty. Okay. Okay, till then, bye bye. We'll start off. Question number 4 is not visible. Let me just disappear. Yes. You can see the question number 4 now. Okay. Okay. See you in the next class.